In today's lesson, you will learn how to introduce yourself and have simple conversations. This is a very important first step to establish a connection with the other person. So now we're starting to use the language as a communication instrument, which is actually the main function. When two people meet each other, they often use the expression piacere, which means nice to meet you. Please repeat after me. Piacere. Piacere. If you already know the person, instead of saying piacere, which is nice to meet you, you can say come stai, which means how are you? Come means how. Stai means you are. Literally, you stay. This time, I will say it slowly. Please repeat after me. Come stai? Come stai? To respond to this, you would say bene, grazie, which means fine, thanks. Bene means fine. Grazie means thanks. Please repeat after me. Bene, grazie. Bene, grazie. And to ask the other person, you would say e tu? Which means and you? E means and. Tu means you. Please repeat after me. E tu? E tu? Once you have met someone, asking basic information about him, her is very appreciated. Let's try. To ask for the name, you would say come ti chiami, which means what's your name? Come means how. Ti means yourself. Chiami means you call. So, literally, it sounds like how do you call yourself? This time, I will say it slowly. Please repeat after me. Come ti chiami? Come ti chiami? And the answer would be mi chiamo Alex, which means my name is Alex. Mi means myself. Chiamo means I call. Alex means, well, Alex is me. So it literally sounds like I call myself Alex. Now I will say it slowly. Please repeat after me. Mi chiamo Alex. Mi chiamo Alex. Another way to say that is io sono Alex, which means I am Alex. Io means I. Sono means am. Alex, of course, it's still me. This time I will say it slowly. Please repeat after me. Io sono Alex. Io sono Alex. Let's move on. Da dove vieni? Which means, where do you come from? Da means from. Dove means where. Vieni means you come. So literally it sounds like from where you come. This time I will say it slowly. Please repeat after me. Da dove vieni? Da dove vieni? To respond to this, you would say Vengo da Roma, which means I come from Rome. In this sentence, vengo means I come. Da means from. And Roma, of course, is Rome. Now I will say it slowly. Vengo da Roma. Please repeat after me. Vengo da Roma. And the last sentence is Quanti anni hai? Which means how old are you? Quanti means how many. Anni means years. Hai means you have. So literally, it sounds like how many years you have. This time I will say it slowly. Please repeat after me. Quanti anni hai? Quanti anni hai? And the way to respond to this is Ho 30 anni, which means I am 30. Ho means I have. 30 is 30. Anni means years. So this literally sounds like I have 30 years. Well, now you're ready to meet and know lots of people in Italy. So, what you waiting for?